Hi everyone. In the last video, we have created a main character for our particular story or AI video. In this video, I am going to show how we can create different images using image prompts. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, and if you see here, this is the script. This is the main character details, and these are all the scene prompts: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these scenes. I'm going to copy all these scenes, and I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'll go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say I am creating AI video. Please use below scene prompts to create image prompts. So I'm creating AI video. Please use the below scene prompts as reference to create accurate image prompts. Accurate image prompts. And I'm going to say create them in 3D animation Pixar style. Okay, so the prompt is I am creating AI video. Please use the below scene prompts as reference to create accurate image prompts and create them in 3D animation Pixar style. Now I am going to paste all the scene prompts here. Okay, I've pasted all the scene prompts, and I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. So ChatGPT has created excellent image prompts. This is for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these image prompts. I'm going to copy all these image prompts. Copy. Go back to the document. I'm going to paste it here. So we have everything in order now. We have the script, we have the main character, we have the scene prompts, and now we have all the image prompts as well. Now we are going to use the image prompts that we have just created to create several images. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. So this is the first image prompt. I'm going to copy it. Copy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new Word document. I'm going to paste it here. You must be wondering why we have copied the image prompt to paste it here. To create consistent characters, we need to mention some details in this particular prompt. Let me go back to the Word document. So in the main Word document, we have the script and we also have the main character details here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to the image prompt here, and right next to Naresh, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it. You may be wondering why we have to copy our character details and put it right next to the first image prompt. You might be wondering why we have done that. This is because we need to maintain character consistency. We need to maintain character consistency in all the images and in all the scenes. In order to have character consistency, we need to copy our character that we have created. Okay, We have to copy the character that we have created and we need to paste it in all image prompts when generating images. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my first image prompt. I'll go back to Piclumen tool. I'll go back to Piclumen tool and I'm going to simply paste the prompt here. I have pasted my image prompt here. Once you paste your image prompt, you have to do one more important thing, which is click on reference image here. Okay, click on reference image and we have created the main character image. We have created the main character image. Copy it here. Select it and use it as reference. Use it as reference because you have to maintain character consistency in all the images. Let's say a Hollywood director is directing a movie and if he wants Leonardo DiCaprio to be seen in all the scenes, he needs to maintain character consistency. He cannot bring another image or another celebrity for the second scene. So to maintain character consistency, we have to use this reference image as an attachment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select resolution as 16:9, images per batch as 4, and if you see here there is an option called advanced settings. Okay, click on advanced settings. Under advanced settings you see an option called seed. You see an option called seed. Enable seed here. Enable seed here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image that we have created in Piclumen, and you see an option called seed. You can also copy this seed here. Copy the seed and go to advanced settings and enable seed and paste the seed here. What we are actually doing is we are telling Piclumen tool that please use this seed or the image that we have generated before as reference to create images from now. So it is going to maintain character consistency from now. And we have also attached the image. We also attached the reference image and we have also given the seed. So if everything looks good, click on generate. Now let's see how it goes. It should create the image of this particular scene accurate to our requirement. So let's see how it goes. So I am doing it for, okay, it has created the image. So you see image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. So it looks like this image and this image looks very similar. All these three images look a bit different, but this image looks similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this image to download. Okay, so I'm going to download this image. Alright, we have created our first image using our first image prompt. Now what you have to do is you should use the image prompt for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4 and scene 5 to create rest of the images using Piclumen tool or any other tool. So what you have to do is follow the same process, like copy this prompt, take it to Piclumen tool and next to your character mention all the details like the age, the looks, the dressing style, all the things to maintain character consistency. You need to put these details in each and every image prompt. After that, please make sure you put the reference number, the seed and also the reference image. Please make sure that all the details are correct and then click generate. So you have to follow the same process for all the image prompts. So once you follow that, you will have all the images ready. Once we have the images ready, we can convert those images to videos or scenes. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. I know that this is a very long video, but I had to share this information because it's very critical to move. It's quite critical information before we move forward. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.